Hey guys, this is a video for people who are regular viewers of the YouTube channel. I just wanted to give you a quick heads up about things. So the structure of what I'm doing is going to be pretty consistent in terms of the type of content I come out with, in terms of broad coding advice, entrepreneur advice, freelance advice, maybe some general commentary. I've touched on the psychology with my lizard wizard, but based on some initial examinations, even though I've asked people about, should I include my business-centric or my psychology-centric content? Should I have a different channel or should I have this channel? And some people said, well, why don't you just have a series on this channel? But I realized that that might be a bad thing in terms of the YouTube algorithm. And if I mix content types, it's not going to go well, I think. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the tech on this channel here. And if I decide, if I have the time to really dive deep into the entrepreneur stuff and the freelance stuff and the psychology stuff I call the lizard wizard, I'm going to separate those out into different channels. Another thing that you may start seeing is a little bit more independent ads being inserted into videos. Now, I've been approached for quite a while now in terms of people wanting to sponsor videos, and I've refused 99.9%. I've done one or two here and there, but now I'm just getting constant people wanting to advertise on the channel. I am going to be doing a few more because I figure, why not? Why not, So you're going to see that. I think I had talked about in the past about the code in the car, and I ran into some issues with that where I couldn't really drive around while driving and talk about coding, because when you're talking about a subject that's detailed, where you want to present information point A, B, and C in the right order, concentrating on that, concentrating on speaking well, and concentrating on the road is not a good thing. So I have to drive to a place, sit and talk about it rather than drive and talk about it at the same time. So I'm going to be changing that format out a bit. There's been a bit of delay in terms of the content creation on the channel because we're working to get the new platform up and running, an extension to Studio Web 4. Part of that is the new store and the new buying process. It's just an automation, because right now with the interactive web developer package, links below, I am combining two systems. So when you buy, you get system A and system B. So somebody has to come in there and manually create an account for people on the Studio Web 4 platform, where with the new store, everything is going to be totally integrated. Don't get me wrong. If you get something today, you'll get hooked up, no problem. It's just a bit of work for us on our end. So there's all this infrastructure work that's been slowing down the production cycle in terms of this channel. Another thing I'm going to do, if everything goes according to plan, within the next few months, I hope, if not sooner, I'm going to have somebody help me with the editing. Because when you create videos here, just recording the video is the easiest part of the process. In fact, it's the editing that takes much more time. And I've been editing on a 2016 MacBook Pro, first gen, and it works, but it's stuttering. It stutters with, especially the high quality video comes out of this camera using a C200 cinema camera, and I haven't been able to output the highest quality, and the speed of edit has been a little bit slow. Now, I don't like updating my computers too often, but it's time now, so I ordered a souped up new computer. In fact, first desktop in 10 years, simply because I want that horsepower so I can burn through and edit videos, super fast, which will allow me to put out more content. And in fact, once the new platform is out, everything is in place, I intend to I might start putting out 2 videos a day, believe it or not. And I'm not sure exactly what pipeline they're going to fall in. Might be 2 tech videos, might be a tech video and a business video. I'm not sure. I have to look at that and consider that more. But there you go. I'm just giving you some insider info about where I'm going with this. I want to just up the game. Every year, whatever you do in life, you got to try to up your game. So I'm trying to up the game here for you guys. You benefit because you're going to get, hopefully, higher quality, better content, more easily consumed content. And for me, it works out as well, because the better work that I do, the more presence that I get, the more traction StudioWeb gets, and everybody's happy. All right, bit of a drawn out video, but it's for regular viewers, you know. All right, we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.